Hey everybody, quick video before I do my weekly video this week. Just going over the DIX+GEX Sell Signal in a simple way to improve upon it. In some of my previous blog posts, I went over some kind of complex methods for building out a DIX Sell Signal and a GEX Sell Signal. For this, we're just going to do a slight improvement to the original DIX+GEX Sell Signal just by overlaying 20-day moving average of DIX and 20-day moving average of GEX, looking for DIX below average prints and GEX above average prints on the 20-day moving average, leading up to this sell signal, which is, if you don't know what it is, it came from Stephen Harlan, NextSignals.com, DIX less than 0.4, so a daily print less than 0.4. A one-day DIX decline, so today is less than yesterday. One-day GEX decline, GEX positive, and SPX is greater than a 20 EMA. So, back testing that. That's the spreadsheet with the date on it. This is the back test of DIX+GEX Sell Signal 1.0, I'm calling it. And you can see it is below average returns going out to 3 months. Overall, though, above average or positive on all time frames in terms of the median. There is a couple, 1 month out is a negative return, so it's a relatively decent sell signal in and of itself without the improvements. However, let's look at the improvement. This is 2.0, and for this it's the same parameters. I just added in the DIX 20-day moving average was greater than or less than 50th percentile on a rolling 1 year basis, and the GEX was greater than 50th percentile on the 20-day moving average rolling 1 year basis. So now you can see that backtest is considerably more negative, definitely below average, now up to 2 months later and even 1 year later. The mean is actually negative every time frame out to 1 month. Percent positive is actually negative. Basically 17 days to 1 month, so 17 through 21 days forward. Risk reward's very skewed, so this simple little improvement, while it does cut the sample size down a decent amount, increased the efficacy of the sell signal by quite a bit. A lot less false positives. And if you read through the blog post, there's other things we could potentially try here, but this was just a simple attempt here to improve this, and I think it was pretty successful. So have a look at it yourself. Let me know what you think. Yeah, I think, let's see, what else? Is there anything else I needed to add? Okay, here was the spreadsheet where I created both of these, and I'm sharing this with you guys so you can take a look. So these are all the parameters for the sell signal 1.0, and these are all the parameters for sell signal 2.0. It's pretty self-explanatory. If you know how to use a spreadsheet, you should be able to figure that out. You could take this, experiment with some different combinations if you'd like. Here's the blog post. Very short blog post on this, but here's part 1 and part 2 where I go over some kind of in-depth DIX sell signals and some in-depth GEX sell signals that get a lot more complex than this is. But I just wanted to do a very simple 2.0 DIX plus GEX sell signal. Take a look at it. Let me know what you think. I'm going to get on to the next video, which is the market update for this week.